going on, my boo? It is your girl Stacey Woo. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be busting it up, playing in some makeup. I wanted to do a really cute like cloud skin makeup today. I don't know if you ever heard of like cloud skin makeup, but it's kind of like a matte skin, like it's like really giving like skin, let me see, matte and glow, but then more of a matte finish. I kind of really like the cloud skin look, especially for like the beginning of the year, because right now it's just really me focusing on my new routines, you know, because I'll add some stuff in the beginning of the year to my routines, my facial routines and stuff like that. So we're going to be jumping right into this cloud skin makeup, and I'm going to be putting some moisturizer on my face. I'm going to be using the Elf. Y'all already know I love my Elf, and I love this moisturizer so much because not only does it really get in your skin, but with the cloud skin you kind of want your face to be very kind of like plump, and I kind of like that plump feeling. So I'm definitely going to put all of that in my joint. I just scrubbed my lips and I still got some dead skin on there. It's all right, it's all right. Let me use my new thing. I really like this too because it's like on a verge of like you can just get up and do this, and this is like really fast, really like out the way, really like I'm getting up, I'm going. That's why I really like this cloud skin kind of vibe. You don't really have to do too much. I'm going to be jumping into this Elf Power Grip. I like this grip because this is my favorite milk dupe. Okay, don't play. And not only that, it grip anything, any type of foundation, anything, it just grips it. So now since I've moisturized and I had that down, I'm going to jump back into my moisturizer. Now the foundation I'm going to use is this Morphe matte foundation. So I'm going to take some of this matte, and then I'm going to also take some of the moisturizer that I used on my face, and I'm gonna put it on top of that, and I'm going to mix that in, and then I'm just going to take that and just put that all on the face. I love this brush, okay? To me, I don't care what nobody say, this is the best foundation brush, moisturized brush, everything on earth. Like, this gets every nook and cranny. MAC killed it when they did that, and this joint get like flawless, you feel what I'm saying? But this brush, I don't even know what this brush called. Oh, I still have it. It is the MAC 137. I love this. I done had this MAC brush. This was my first makeup brush, so this is where it's at, okay? Next, since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into blush. And for blush, I want to jump into blush from Juvia's Place, and this is called Barbie Rose. So we're gonna, ooh, my hands greasy.
Oh, my hand is greasy. Yay! I'm gonna have to 8 times use. But come on. Can you open this for me? That one's hard. Yes, that one's hard. Thank you. Ain't nobody open this shit all. Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to try just a little bit. Ooh, 1, 2, 3. I'm only going to try 1, 2, 3. I put a little bit too much, but look, I put a lot here, I put a lot here. I don't care, because one thing about blush, like, never makes you know, never mind. You know what I'm saying? Like, whatever, it is what it is. That, and then just blend that. Ooh. Oh, that's a lot. I like it though. And that's so crazy because it's like blush has definitely been in. I put a lot. But I like to put it on first because, you know, I'm going to put everything over top of it. So it really don't make a difference. Right? Oh, I like that. That looks good. Oh, yeah. Alright, so now since I have that down, I'm going to jump right into concealer. So I'm going to jump into my Elf, and I think this is in the medium sand. I also like to use this e.l.f. because it's not like really matte, but it's not very watery. Like that Flawless foundation from Charlotte Tilbury, that is a little watery a little bit, like just a little loose, but it's so good when it lays. It makes me crease. That's what I'm trying to say. It makes me crease when I, you know, put that under. We're going to jump also into this Color Pop, and this is in the color medium. I was a little nervous of using that, then I said, oh, I'm going back to Ultra Beauty and get me some Color Pops. Bring it around the mouth. I like to bring mine around the mouth. I think I need to buy me a brand new battery because I be noticing like my battery, it be dying so fast. Like, what is up with it? But whatever. So now since I have that down, I want that to dry a little bit, so we're going to jump into contour. I want to jump into this Danessa Myrick. Just jump into this Danessa Myrick. It's really good. And I'm really liking this blush. I like it. Damn. I love Kendrick Lamar. Hey now. Hey now, say now. I'm all about my end. Big fake Buddha, get my piece from within. Child, that's all I've been listening to is Kendrick Lamar. Oh my God, what's been on you guys' playlist? Let's talk about it. My playlist been lit. Like, I got a lot of, Right now, what I'm banging Kendrick. I'm banging Cashed Out. Yo, Cashed Out album on some real stuff. Cashed Out album is so decent. Like, I've always liked Cashed Out. Like, don't get it messed up. Like, Cashed Out always been her. Like, always loved Cashed Out. But it's just, I don't know. She put her ass in this album. Yes, she did. So I really love her album. So child, I listen to her album every morning when I'm getting up, getting ready for work, and I'm like hating Nance just come real so they can fight shit. Oh my time, you won't never hear the watch thing. No, it ain't no. I run a tight ship. No, I'm way too pretty to be fighting, but I might, bitch, I'm on the hot list. Y'all also on the not list. What she say? Spinning some sour bitch's head like some not list. She said, got $1 million now, I wanna be. I'm just saying. I did not put anything. Alright, so now since we have that down and I'm trying to do this cloudy look, what better way to do the cloudy look with the what? The kimchi and the bananas. So I'm going to be taking kimchi and some Laura Mercier, and we just going to tap that all over. God is good. Say dog. But you know I gotta shape my size, y'all. Y'all know I gotta shape it. We gonna do that, and then you see like them little joints that's like pulled. That's like the edges. That's like the little joints that can make you cast. You dust them out. I don't do too much baking. Like, I want my shit to look flawless. Like, I want to look like I got makeup on, but I really don't want to look like I got makeup on. Like, sometimes I just be wanting to look like a little natural, but that's me. Now, when I'm going out and like I'm about to like wear photo shoots and stuff, of course I'm going to beat myself. I don't like a lot of makeup. That's why I love this cloudy kind of like vibe, because it's like, it's very natural. And to be honest, 2025 vibe is giving very like, show your face, like show your imperfections. I don't know, but I'm not really into the perfect. The imperfections is like the best thing, so I don't know. Like, I don't know. That's just me. We're gonna jump right into eye. I'm gonna take the Charlotte Tilbury. I'm gonna just take a little bit like that. After I do that, I take setting powders. I don't really feel like doing a wing. I just really feel like giving just cloudy skin. You know what I'm saying? Just cloudy skin. I'm gonna take this Charlotte Tilbury and get rid of all the excess stuff off my face. And I love this Charlotte Tilbury because it just gives such a nice finish. So we're going to jump into some shimmers. I've been loving this Be Perfect child, the Vivian, and so we're going to be jumping into their Sculpt, this right here, this Sculpt, and then I'm going to be jumping into Blinding for the highlight. Very like soft girl, like I'm really in like this soft girl, really chill kind of vibe. I'm gonna just put a little bit. It's daytime. You don't want to do too much in the daytime, you know. You only need a little bit. Let me tell you something. Be Perfect is where it's at. Look at that. And I do some here. I still get a little bit, but I do a light. Like you see, like it's not really too much, but it's there. I'm going to jump into the Juvia's Place blush. This one is the one that this is the volume 5. So I'm going to jump into this, and I'm going to jump into the darkest one over there. You know, can't have too much blush. Okay, so now since we had that down, we can finally jump into the mascara. And I just been on this Twiggy vibe, y'all, just pulling my lashes out. Being very careful because I want to make sure I don't touch my lid. But even if I do touch my lid, I don't even care. I'm going to be jumping on these Juvia's Place. These are the Nubian Natural Lash. These right here. They're kind of very natural. You'll see them. They real natural. I had them on my last video. Look how little they are. We're going to jump into some lips. And I'm probably just gonna keep it simple with a nice little dark lip. To be very real, when it's like a daytime like vibe, I really don't put nothing on. Sometimes I might even use like a little bit of concealer and just, because I heard concealer lip is definitely back out. On some real stuff, I'll take even a little bit of my own blush, like a liquid blush, not a lot, because that's why I be trying to take it as much off, and like that. Oh, that's too much. And I'm not gonna leave my hair like this. My hair look a mess. Even though I've been liking this look, like this has like really been the look. Like, let me back it up for y'all. Cause even though it be looking like a mess. Oh yeah, this is like the vibe with my bag. That's what I'm. But on some real stuff, like this really be like the look a little bit that I be giving. Like I just be liking this look. They gonna be like, Stacey, what you do to your hair? People won't get it. Those who get it. Those who don't. And on some real stuff, I used to do my hair like this all the time back in the day. Like I used to do like pin curls. I used to like the way it looked when it used to be like in the pins and then not in the pins. And I was like, well, I like that look. And I used to like do it all the time. But now you gotta be careful with the look. So I'm going to definitely fix my hair. I'm gonna take some of this Silk and Mist from Cliff. this is the look, my boo. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button. Leave me a comment down below. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching me and watching me grow. Okay, don't forget to keep God first, and I will see you, my boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.